Welcome to this meditation, a time for you to gently unwind and connect with the deeper parts of your mind and body. As you settle into a comfortable position, I invite you to close your eyes and take a deep, easy breath in, letting the air fill your lungs completely. And then, in your own time, slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress that you've been carrying. As you continue to breathe comfortably and easily, let your awareness drift to the sound of your breath. A gentle, subtle breathing in and breathing out. A natural, rhythmic flow. Notice how each breath carries you deeper into relaxation. How it carries you deeper into a state of calm. And as you focus on your breathing, you might begin to notice how your body starts to feel heavier, as if you're gently sinking into the surface beneath you, fully supported, completely at ease. And as you listen to my voice, you may find your mind wandering, and that's perfectly fine. You might hear my words, or you might not. You might catch some phrases, or perhaps none at all. And that's all right, because your subconscious mind is always listening, always aware. Even when your conscious mind is drifting, or perhaps even when it's not. Your subconscious mind knows exactly what you need right now. It knows exactly how to guide you to a place of deep relaxation. A place where you can let go of anything that no longer serves you. And it's interesting, isn't it, how sometimes the more we try to hold on to something, the more it slips away. And the more we let go, the more we find what we are seeking all along. And so you may notice that your thoughts are becoming more fluid, more free. Your thoughts like clouds drifting across the sky. And as you try to follow one thought, you might find it changes into something else, or perhaps that thought just fades away altogether. And that's fine too, because you don't need to hold onto anything right now. You can simply let go and trust that your subconscious mind is taking care of everything for you. So as you continue to relax, let yourself become aware of that gentle, soothing sensation spreading down through your body, down through your head and your neck, down through your shoulders, into your arms. And as you focus on this sensation, you may notice it spreading even further, like a warm wave of comfort, or perhaps it's already there. And with each breath, you can allow yourself to drift deeper into this state of relaxation, where your subconscious mind is free to guide you, where all tension and discomfort can simply melt away. Melting away as easily as your breath flows in and out. And as you continue to drift deeper into this state of relaxation, notice how your breath feels now. How each inhale is soft and effortless, and each exhale carries you even further into calmness. And as you become more aware of the sensations in your body, gently shift your attention to your stomach and abdominal area. Feel how your breath moves through this space. And as you do, I want you to imagine that this entire area is like a balloon. This balloon has been inflated, filled with air and tension. It's been holding onto stress, pressure, and discomfort. But now, in this moment, it's time to let all of that go. To allow your stomach and abdominal area to come back into a state of calm and comfort. And as you focus more and more on that balloon, I want you to imagine with each breath that you take that the balloon slowly begins to deflate, slowly and steadily, releasing all the stress, pressure, and discomfort that you've been carrying. Picture the air inside gently escaping through a tiny valve, a small opening, and feel the relief as the pressure inside begins to decrease. Feeling it soften and shrink with every gentle exhale. And you might even like to imagine a gentle hiss as the air flows out, almost like a whisper of release, carrying away all of that tension, allowing you to feel more calm inside. Notice how with every exhale you can let go of a little more air, a little more tightness. The balloon is becoming softer, lighter, and more relaxed. Just as you are becoming more relaxed with every breath. See this balloon in your mind's eye. Notice its color, its texture. Perhaps that balloon is a bright color that represents the energy or tension that you've been holding onto. Or maybe it's a soft, soothing colour, inviting you to release what no longer serves you. At first, the balloon might feel tight, stretched and uncomfortable. But as you focus on your breath, you can see that tension easing. The balloon is becoming softer, lighter and more relaxed on each exhale. Deflating smoothly and naturally without any force. And so as you breathe out, imagining it's not just air leaving that balloon, it's the discomfort, the bloating, the tightness. Each exhale is like a gentle breeze, carrying away everything that's been weighing you down. Feel that gentle breeze moving throughout your body, sweeping away any tension or heaviness, leaving behind only peace and comfort. And so feeling that gentle release as you continue to breathe in and out, releasing all the discomfort that you've been carrying. As you continue to breathe, you might start to feel a softening in your stomach, a lightness where there was once tightness. Imagining that every exhale is like loosening the laces of a tightly tied shoe, giving you more comfort, allowing you to feel more at ease. The balloon is becoming smaller and smaller. With every breath out, feeling a wave of relaxation spreading through your abdomen, your muscles unwinding, your digestive system calming down. Now, as that balloon continues to deflate, you can also imagine that it's like a cloud in the sky. At first, this cloud is dense and heavy. You might notice how this cloud, much like your discomfort, has been hanging over you. But as you exhale, imagine the air escaping not just from the balloon, but also from the cloud itself. See the cloud beginning to change, its dense edges softening, its heavy form becoming lighter, more transparent. With each breath out, watch as the cloud starts to dissipate, dispersing into smaller and smaller fragments, spreading out across the vast sky, carried away by a soft breeze, until it gently floats away completely, leaving a clear blue sky behind. See that sky in your mind's eye, vast and endless. A beautiful, calming blue, representing the calm and freedom that you now feel in your stomach area. The cloud of discomfort has drifted away, and all that remains is peace and calm. And so as you continue to relax in this moment, you can repeat silently to yourself, with each breath, I release tension. I let go of discomfort. Let these words sink deeply into your mind, knowing that you have the power to ease discomfort whenever you need to. Understand that your body listens to your mind, and by guiding your thoughts, you can guide your body into a state of peace and balance. Take a few more easy, comfortable breaths now, feeling into this sense of relief and calm. Feel how much lighter and freer your stomach feels, as if all the heaviness has been lifted away, leaving you free and clear like the sky above. Let this lightness fill you, spreading from your stomach to every part of your being, so that with each breath you continue to release, to let go, and to embrace the peace that is now yours. Allow yourself to be held in this moment, supported by the surface beneath you. And then, when you're ready, slowly start to bring your awareness back, aware of the room around you, starting to move your hands and feet, and then when it feels right, taking a nice, easy, deep breath, that's it, coming all the way back up and open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Be kind to your body, and I hope you carry this sense of peace with you. And if you enjoyed this session, you can listen to it ad-free along with over 100 additional audio sessions on the Calm Gut app, available on the App Store. Click on the link below to get started with a free 7-day trial. And up next is a guided hypnosis journey to help you find relief from the burdens of past trauma and emotional turmoil that can impact gut health.